Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the wallet trainers and the new method they have been doing to train your wallets. Now, as I said in the other videos, we made videos about this before, they were using the approve function, which you can see here, where they manipulate you into approving them to withdraw all your money. But later the Metamask fixed this issue, which when you click claim and you're approving the hacker, the Metamask asks you to add a number, to add the amount of approval, so it is not working. People are not being fooled by this anymore, so the hackers have found a new way. They are now using the increase allowance, which Metamask has not fixed as they did with the approve function. So the increase allowance does exactly the same thing. It just meant if you have approved like $100 and then you want to change to approve $50, it changed that. But in this case, for the hacker, it simply gives them any amount they want. So MetaMask needs to fix this. And how they do this, here we have one of the websites I found on Twitter, and these websites are crazy. They will drain all your money, doesn't matter what network. And if you approve on Binance network, if you are on Binance, then automatically they will request you to switch networks, claim on the Ethereum network if you have anything, and then after you approve that, they will switch networks again until nothing is left in your wallet. And we're gonna test that now. So as you can see, if we click claim, they will say verifying and claim transaction, but as you can see here, they're asking for permission to withdraw my USDT. Increase allowance, and we have the increase allowance here. As you can see here is the address to add and the value we want to approve, which they have set on the website code. They have set unlimited number here and their wallet address here, so they will be able to withdraw. Another one I saw is this friends tech. If you click claim, they will withdraw your Ethereum, your whole Ethereum balance. As you can see here, it requests me to transfer, but it says claim rewards here because they have named the function like that. So a lot of people get fooled when they see this and they think they are claiming rewards. But in reality, this is just a name. It's the function's name. You can name a function anything in Solidity and it does completely a different thing. Now I found this guy's wallet and I see these guys are draining like 100,000 plus daily. So please be safe, don't visit any links you see on Twitter. This is mostly coming from Twitter. They have found ways to trend on Twitter, and they use bots to find trending hashtags and get their hacking website out there. So please stay safe, don't visit unknown website, and don't claim any airdrop. Any airdrop you claim right now is simply gonna drain your wallet. Thank you and see you in the next video.